over the summer. Before it's like, it's if the shouldn't have replaced the, you know, stop it when I look at the roof. It's fine, because he's... Not right. Welcome to West End Carpark, which has OTIS ReGen Drive with B letter floor numbering, so that's interesting. Oh, it has upper ground and lower ground, okay. Oh, upper ground is then. It's got two doors, so I guess that definitely is something. Go to 5B. It's a ReGen Drive. Flickering lights. We are 5B. And yeah, just over there is the other lift. Going on to lower ground. And then we'll go to the other lift and we'll may as well show how long it is to go from, well, yeah. It's great to see the letter floor numbering here. Okay. We got lower ground. That's what opens up. Now let's go to upper ground and let's see how long it takes to get from one to the other. It didn't take that long, to be honest. So here we're at upper ground. Special lift to go. And that's it. Actually, I'll show approximately where I'm pretty sure we just came from. Yeah, that's low ground down there, so it's insane. That's it. And this is the other lift here. Yeah, it's probably same deal. Goes up that far, and we just came from all the way over there. So amazing how this is. Yeah, same deal. Same deal. So low ground scenery, just street level. A little nicer. Let's go to 5A. Interesting how they. So this is just upper ground. Let's see. Wonder why they call it A B then. Yeah, this lift's a little brighter. But it doesn't matter, it's almost identical to the last one. We got 5A and let's take a look. Okay, got it 5. Yeah, okay, got it. So 5B is all the way up there. So okay, I probably see why. There's the logic cabinet, and let's go back down. Yeah, we don't need to see how much distance between like low ground and upper ground this one because it's pretty much the same. We got low ground. Yeah, that is basically, so it goes, and yeah, that's it.